right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our setup module, and we're going to be going over some advanced concepts in math in Python and Viper. So let's dive right in. So there are even more advanced math operations that we can perform in Python and Viper. For example, we can do something called integer division in Python and Viper. Integer division is used to divide two integers and get the result as an integer, which means that it will not return a float or a decimal value, but instead it will return the integer part of the division. And we can perform integer division in Python like this. You see my number equals 5, my other number equals 2, and my integer division will equal my number divided by my other number. Now normally 5 divided by 2 will give us 2.5, which you'll see why that's not the case coming up. Now my integer division, this variable here is an integer variable that stores the value 2, which is the integer part of the division of 5 by 2. Notice that we use the double slash to perform integer division in Python. Integer division will always round down to the nearest integer, so if we had used 5 by 5 or 5.5 instead of 5, it will still return 2 because it rounds down to the nearest integer. So 5 divided by 2 will normally give us 2.5, but since we're using integer division, it just gives us back the nearest integer, which will be 2, because we don't deal with floats or decimals. So even if we had used 5.5 divided by 2, it would have rounded that 5.5 down to 5, and we would have divided that by 2 and still got 2 because it only deals with precision. Now also we're using the double slash, and you notice that we only use the double slash in Viper as well, because Viper deals with precision. Also because of the small contracts, it doesn't deal with floats or decimals. So that's one of the concepts that we went over with our advanced math in Python and Viper. I think that's one of the only ones we touched on. So yeah, the next one we'll be looking at is functions and methods in Python and Viper, and we're going to pick that up tomorrow. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.